I got in this industry in a very bizarre way actually. I actually qualified in medicine at Nottingham, worked for a year in the NHS, and then decided that wasn't for me. Wanted to try something different. Got some accounting training at an accounting firm, and then equity research with a focus on pharma offered a unique way of combining the scientific background and the financial background.
So I graduated with a degree in biochemistry, and I initially took a job in equity sales, but I realised I wanted to be an analyst because I was spending more time with the analysts and looking into the models in more detail. I also missed the science, so I managed to combine the two together with a job in equity research as a biotech analyst, which then quickly turned into a pharma analyst role. So we have a positive view on the European pharmaceutical sector at the moment. We see very attractive growth rates for the sector beyond 2017, driven by very full pipelines, which has been the result of improving R&D productivity in the industry. Valuation looks attractive, especially after a sell-off driven by US pricing concerns last year. And in addition to that, the sector is offering a good yield and has very strong balance sheets, which gives the potential for accretive M&A.
We were bullish our biotech coverage for the bulk of last year. Entering this year, we're a little bit more selective. We are positive on just one name, Genmab within the space, having downgraded Actela and Ipsen. Whilst we see positive fundamentals for those companies, we think valuations are getting increasingly stretched.
I think the thing I enjoy most about being an analyst is firstly the ability to combine financial markets, which change every day, with my science background. That gives us the opportunity to meet with some of the key opinion leaders and the key minds in certain medical areas of interest. Secondly, I think it's being able to engage debating your ideas with intelligent people who are also experts in the field. The third thing for me is coming up with out of consensus ideas, trying to convince people, maybe influence how the market's thinking about something.
I enjoy the variety that the job offers in terms of detailed scientific analysis, which allows me to keep in touch with my medical background, the detailed financial analysis, engaging with companies and management teams to assess their strategy, and then actually the selling part of it, the generating ideas and convincing clients that your idea is hopefully correct.
I think what's great about the pharma sector is that it's constantly changing. There's always new innovation coming through, there's new medicines to be analysing, and there's often a lot of binary nature to the clinical data points that are coming out, which creates quite a lot of excitement around the stocks as well.
If I hadn't been an analyst, I'd probably be doing what I originally intended to do, which was a medic within the NHS.
I'd probably like to say I'd been doing something really outlandish, like being a rock star or something, but the reality is I think I'd probably have been in equity sales or maybe private equity or something similarly related.